Wow, I have never, ever, ever, ever done a bitch and moan video, but I tell you, this is a product, Camtasia, TechSmith Screencast, that I have been with TechSmith, I think since 2007 is my first receipt for Camtasia. Since then, all their upgrade, their maintenance programs, this, that, and the other. And I got an email today that if something on Screencast has not been viewed in a year, they're going to just delete it. So I thought, no problem. I will jump on and download it all. Well, as you can see here, if you select one item, you got your download button right here. Beautiful. Let me grab that. Oh, no problem. Let me select all. And in fact, let me come over here and get all 549 items. No download button. Just got off the phone with the company. And my gosh, this guy, they've just bought into this. You have to pay them money now to store this thing, which I understand. I run a software membership site. I like when people pay. But for goodness sakes, give users a way to get out. It's unrealistic to think that I'm going to go through here. They said, oh, all you have to do is view your items and then they won't get deleted for another year. What the hell? Make it a button that I can get out, even if it's for a limited time. So I'm just so angry. I've never made one of these videos, but this is one of the biggest abuses of our data, on an agreement that, I don't know, maybe I agreed to it a long time ago, but it's just ridiculous to think that I can download one at a time and it's 549 items. I'm not going to be alive long enough to download all those. And I'm just really pissed. TechSmith has let me down for the first time, really. I've used their products a lot. I don't want another paid monthly account where I can keep my stuff. I've got the Dropbox. I've got Google Drive. I've got the OneDrive. It's good. Clouds are good. Let me get all my stuff from you for free and run. All right. Pissed.